Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your Shopify plan from monthly to yearly or vice versa, from yearly to monthly. So let's get right into it. Now, if you have a Shopify plan, you're going to need to pay it on a certain billing period. Usually, yearly periods are less expensive in total than monthly than monthly periods are. However, they do require a one-time payment and a once-a-time yearly payment, and that can be a bit too expensive for people as a flat payment for a yearly subscription. Now, you can change that to monthly if that is what you want to do, and what you need to do is go into settings, and then you can go ahead and go into plan, and you'll see your plan over here. And as you can see, I'm on a trial plan, so I'm not going to cancel it, but you can go ahead and cancel your plan and then just resubscribe to a monthly plan instead. However, if you already went past the billing period and you already paid money for a yearly subscription and you don't want to wait a year so you can cancel your plan and subscribe to a new one, what I do recommend is that you contact support. You can't change anything through the app itself, so you will need to contact support and be on the line with a support agent, whether it be through a live chat or an email thread. It really depends on what you want, but they will need to help you through the customer support. Then they will need to go ahead and contact their billing team, who will then change your specific account settings and change your subscription from yearly to monthly, and then your billing period will be restarted, and then you will need to go ahead and pay monthly. And that is basically it. Of course, it works vice versa. If you want to switch from monthly to yearly, it works just as well. However, in that case, you can go ahead and just wait until your subscription ends and then just subscribe to a yearly plan. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.